সরস্বতী পুজো স্পেশাল।
পুজো হয়ে গেছে, you can't just live in পুজো।
Bengal cannot be examined or lived without any pujo. Always there has to be a pujo.
এগুলো একই।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ এইটা
একদম
This is
Natural
perfect.
এটা খুব সুন্দর।
ন্যাচারাল বিউটি। 10টা দিয়ে দেবো?
না দাঁড়া ভাবি একটু।
আরে ভাবো না, আমরা তো ভাবো।
নাইস। আর এগুলো ইয়ে করে পরিষ্কারটা কি করে করতে
ও তো ইমলি লেবু বাড়িতে যা আছে ওটা তো হয়ে যাবে তোমার।
পিতাম্বরী।
আরে পিতাম্বরীটা তো কেমিক্যালে, তুমি তো কেমিক্যালের কথা বলছো, আমি হাইজেনিকের কথা বলছি।
What do you want?
আমি ভাবছি কি ওয়ান্ট আই ওয়ান্ট। আমার তো এই সাইজটা বেটার লাগছে। হ্যাঁ
সার্ভের জন্য ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ সার্ভিং এর জন্য, খাওয়ার জন্য না। দেখো
আচ্ছা বাংলা দেখো।
নিয়ে যেতে। This is very nice. কত রকমের পাতা কি বললে এটা?
This is হচ্ছে কুলেখাড়া and this is থানকুনি।
নিম আছে তো।
নিম এই যে ছোট্ট ছোট্ট নিম, কচি নিম। এখনই নিম পাতা, বৈশাখের আগে নিম খেয়ে ফেলতে হবে।
I love এরকম স্টল। স্টলটা দেখো বেশি। ওর বাইকের পেছনে টেবিল।
It's so useful now. He can carry it anywhere he goes. Good?
Not as good as the other one.
Oh. There's something called Pushpo Villa.
ভিলা।
এই একটা জিনিস which you will find really interesting. Houses have really old traditional Bengali names to it. Two places, in Kolkata and in Shantiniketan. You will always find names like Niketan, Aloy, Bhila, or পদবী দিয়ে যেগুলো হয় like Chaudhuris, Ghoshes এরকম করে. So the baris are not actually baris. They talk a lot. See this house, they tell a lot of stories. They tell about how time has passed by. কিভাবে সময় চলে গেছে, ওই যে বারান্দা বা even এই see the house that we can
Oh
see.
wow.
Such a beautiful looking house.
Okay, so this is one of our favorite things to do when we're in Kolkata.
Yeah.
Walk around, find some food, and just spot these beautiful properties. But I think my perspective has always been, in any other city, especially if it was in the West, in some way or form, all of this would be preserved so much better. Like people would have this forward thinking that you turn this into like an old town and people actually discover it. Here, I think what happens more often than not is they knock it down and they turn it into a flat, and it makes me very sad.
But some of the houses are still there. I mean, not every houses are being demolished and the flat is
No,
being
of course not. Of course not.
But when you walk through these lanes, they tell that the city has this deep, it is somewhere in the history, as if the time has outgrown itself. The city has lived with time, the city has lived with history. You will find houses, you will have lanes, you will have rocks. That's like this outer space in a house where people can sit and give adda. It is actually,
This is the beauty of Kolkata, though.
Beauty of Kolkata, of course, and it is like a living museum. It always stays with you. You do not have to go to an establishment to find that.
No,
how
but
the
okay.
city previously used to
I
look.
think the issue is that a lot of it's not maintained, and it should be maintained
course.
because it's so
Because
beautiful.
some of the snacks and
So I've been coming here since I was like 14 years old.
Fuchka people. I think the best fuchka you can get, that's in Kolkata. Kolkata chhada fuchka hai. Thank you. It's not pani puri. It's not what is golgappa. It is pure plain fuchka. 3 letters in Bangla. It is the best. Fuchka cheers. Tell me something.
What do I eat the most when I'm in Kolkata?
Yes.
আমাকে লেবু দিয়ে দাও।
Also, I forgot what to ask. Which one would you like the most? Pani puri or fuchka?
I don't like pani puri. I like fuchka only.
তুমি কি বলছিলে, তোমাকেও বলেছে ফুচকা নিয়ে?
আমাকে যে কেউ আর্গিউ করতে চাইবে আমার সঙ্গে ফুচকা নিয়ে, আমি বলবো go away.
You don't want jol? You don't get jol? You want to have a shukno fuchka without jol? Have it.
The beauty of fuchka in Kolkata is every stall is different.
Yeah.
It's not the same.
Yeah.
সব আলাদা আলাদা। and that's the fun of it. Like
And you can always
you can
customize.
customize, and I don't know. It's just that's the and puchka khao is socializing also. No, yeah, like
It's like sharing a cup of tea.
No, this is a fun point.
But can you share your puchka?
No, I can't share my puchka. But don't you think it's a fun point that you don't really meet your friends for dinner as much, but you meet for snacks?
True.
Yeah, so it's socializing.
So puchka khete jabi is
It's like
one
a
of the
hangout.
easiest line. Let's go out and have puchkas.
Yeah, you don't need to plan. There's no
Yeah, super
planning.
easy.
There's no calendar invites. You just turn
You
up.
don't have to block dates.
Yeah, you just be like puchka kabhi, and then you
After
go.
work, go have puchka.
So we're having a mixed plate, which is duto aloo puchka and duto doi puchka in the same plate, which is not normal. Kaku is doing me a special.
On our request.
Stop making her from Bawaj. It's the double layer of puchka things.
Yeah, salivate.
I think this is the OG food porn.
So this is the size of the puchka.
Gigantic. One, two, three.
Mochar chop. You cannot say no to mochar chop ever. আলু চপকে আলুরি বলে, বেগুনের ভাজাকে বেগুনি বলে, মোচার চপকে কি বলবে? মোচুরি?
Lol, what a dad joke. Contact this Mishti Dokan, Girish. It's super local to us. I've been coming here since I was a kid. My wedding Mishti was from the shop.
You have to give a throwback memory card to your viewers যারা দেখবে যে ওর বিয়েতে কি কি মিষ্টি এই দোকান থেকে গেছে।
Rabri.
What I like about the fact is এইখানে কলকাতায় মিষ্টির দোকানে once you enter you will see the walls of the মিষ্টির দোকান is laden with pictures of religious spiritual gurus or gods and
And it
goddesses.
always smells so good in here.
মানে সেটা ধূপের গন্ধ তো থাকবেই।
The line of kakus.
People always Bengalis can never say no to mishti, but interestingly all of them are not Bengalis.
Also, most Bengalis are diabetic. It's the best. And this is not like North Indian Rasmalai, which is thin. This is thick milk. I'm a rickshaw utachi. I have very mixed feelings about being on a rickshaw because obviously someone is pulling my body weight, and I think that's really not very good. However, this man is wearing shoes. I think I would love rickshaws a lot more if they were all cycle rickshaws because then they
See,
can
you
cycle.
will also have to sustain their livelihood.
I agree. So that's why mixed feelings,
Because
right?
Hate Tana rickshaw is almost equivalent to Calcutta's charm.
Agree, but
if we do not take them, how else they are going to get their livelihood? How
that's
will
why
they
I'm
earn?
conflicted because it's like
You don't have to be conflicted.
no,
Just
I'm
enjoy the
conflicted.
ride.
No, I mean conflicted.
No, don't. তো আমরা সেটাই বলছিলাম, আমরা এই দাদাকে রিকোয়েস্ট করেছি যাতে উনি আমাদের কলকাতার অলিগলির মধ্যে দিয়ে একটু নিয়ে যেতে পারেন, যাতে আমরা একটু পুরনো বাড়িগুলো দেখতে পারি যেগুলো আমরা রোজ দেখি না। আর কলকাতার লাইফ মানেই একটুখানি পুরনো বাড়ি থাকবে, বাট নট নেসেসারি।
Especially in this area.
কলকাতা হ্যাজ গ্রোন লিপস অ্যান্ড বাউন্ডস সিন্স অনলি উত্তর কলকাতা হ্যাড অল দ্য অ্যারিস্টোক্র্যাট ফ্যামিলিজ লিভিং দেয়ার। দক্ষিণ কলকাতা হ্যাজ অলসো ইমার্জড ওভার টাইম। আর কি ভালো লাগে কলকাতার পুরনো বাড়িঘর দেখতে। যারা যারা কলকাতাকে ভালোবাসে তারা এই কলকাতার ছোট্ট ছোট্ট জিনিসগুলোকেই ভালো দেখতে লাগবে, ভালোবাসতে থাকবে। আমরা ছোটখাটো মানে আমরা এই যে দুলতে দুলতে চলেছি সন্ধ্যেবেলা,
Dulite.
কলিকাতা চলিয়াছে নড়িতে
Yes, yes.
It gives you that exact feeling
But
of
see, okay, this is a Purana house
Yeah.
that they've done up and maintained.
maintained properly, but
And
there
that
are also
looks really
houses
good.
that are not maintained properly on the other side. And see, as I was saying, Nitai Kutir. This house is called Nitai Kutir. That's one.
Two lions.
Two lions there. And we have some commotion.
Oh no. Gadi. Food.
He takes marijuana.
He's the hip god.
He's high on weed.
All the time.
Inspired, architect inspired house.
Yeah, look
Has
at the
to be.
structure of this
Structure
house.
is so.
Look at the grills of the...
Maybe a monastery. Not monastery. This used to be maybe a Catholic school or something.
Yeah.
Or maybe built by someone who was an architecture at that time.
Also, always love this house because it's my favorite.
Institution. I think
My
it is.
favorite color scheme, pink and green. I love it. Okay, firstly, I want to say that I never really get a rickshaw. This is like the first time I've got a rickshaw in like 3 years. And everyone's looking at
Finally,
us.
because of our age, why
Everyone's
are
like-
we on a rickshaw that is
everyone's
being
like,
pulled
"These
by
two."
someone much aged to us?
Yeah, this guy is old.
Yeah.
We are not old.
Yeah.
And everyone is looking at us, and it's really quite funny. I feel like a celebrity.